Hello guys, this is VYSH. So the CSAT, which is very difficult for many students, and they are afraid that we spent our full time in GS and now is not having time for CSAT. I will tell you some tricks where easily you can get marks. Okay, this is one type of questions. You will see like some radios are mobiles, all mobiles are computers. Then they'll give some statement conclusion. Okay, like greens are blue, blues are black, and then something you have to do a conclusion. It's a little complicated when you see it, but this is one of the easiest question and can be solved using Venn diagrams where you need zero formula, just common sense. If you apply, you can get this. Okay, so 2023, 24, 25 and all, at least 2 to 3 questions are going to come definitely. Out of your 80 questions, 2 to 3 questions are going to come. So it's like easily 5 to 7.5 marks. Okay, because 2.5 marks is there. You should not make it negative. You should not make it like skip it. Okay, this is a guaranteed 5 marks, and I will solve each and every question for you from the last 5 years. Okay, so easy repeated questions. So please watch it till the end. It is for the most serious aspirants, and these kind of questions. Okay, I'll show you here. I'll show you samples. Okay, 1 minute. See, 2022 2 questions came, 2021 3 questions came, 2020 1 question came, and 2019 1 question came. In 18 it was not there. In 17 again 2 questions came. Okay, 2016 I didn't check it, but I'm sure again 2-3 questions will be there. Okay, so these type of questions year by year we'll see. Okay, this is 2022 for which the answer key has not come, but I will teach you how to do it. Okay, so please have a pen and paper, and after 1 or 2 questions you yourself will be able to do it. Okay, I will show you this 6 to 8 or 10 questions I think for the last 5 years. So you take a pen and paper and then do as I tell. Okay, so read this. It's like some statements are given and some conclusions are given, and based on that you have to tell which conclusions are correct. This is the overall objective of the entire process. All the 10 questions is the same type of questions. Okay, so if you see here, we'll see statements. Okay, read this and all. If you want, you can read it once, but it's telling the same thing only. Okay, and what is definitely correct, that only you have to take. Okay, not like your pre-knowledge you already have, like pen can be pencil, pencil can be chair. That in your mind, if you have something like chair is a furniture, don't keep that in your mind. Only read what is written by the UPSC. Okay, your pre-knowledge is not required in this kind of questions. Okay, so we'll see all pens are books. Okay, all pens. So you have to do Venn diagram means drawing round like this. Okay, so all pen. This is pen. Okay, I'm writing P, and all pens they're telling it's books. Okay, meaning we can draw a bigger circle like this. Okay, this one fully like this. Okay, bigger, and right here books. Meaning all pens are books. Okay, that is why I made pens inside books. That is the first statement. We drew it. Now next one, no chair is a pen. No chair is a pen means chair and pen, chair should be somewhere here. Okay, like suppose here I draw chair, or maybe another option is I draw a chair here. Okay, CH. Okay, so now in this both the conditions, no chair is a pen. So I did what UPSC told me, nothing else. I didn't use any formula, nothing. Now read the one by one conclusion. Okay, first one is all chairs are books. Okay, so all chairs are books. Suppose your chair you drew here, how will all chair be books? Because books is here and chair is here. Okay, so it will never be true. So conclusion 1 wrong. Okay, I don't want this statement anymore. Now some chairs are pen. Okay, some chairs are pen. Now also suppose when I drew here, chair is here, pen is here, then how can some chair be pen? Okay, it cannot be according to our diagram. Okay, even if you draw it here, still some chairs are pen, doesn't match. So statement 2, this also gone. Okay, so now all books are chair. All books are chair. How can all books be chair? Because here it is like this and here it is like this. It can, in this condition it cannot be. Okay, suppose here you draw chair, maybe, but here I told you definite conclusion you need. So in this condition, if I draw chair outside and books like this separately, this statement cannot be true. All books are not chair or need not be chair. So this also gone. Now no chair is a book. Okay, no chair is a book. So this way if you draw, as I told, no chair is a book. But what if I draw here, this small one, initially which I told you, this is also one option. Suppose this is not there, only this is there. So no chair is a book, that is wrong. Because maybe here some chairs can be book. Okay, so conclusion 4, this also is wrong. No chair is a book, cannot be definitely told. So here, none of the conclusions follows. Okay, none of the conclusion follows. That is how you have to do. It's very simple. I hope you understood. If you did not, again watch from the starting. Like this, I'll show you 10 questions solved in front of you. If you are a very serious aspirant, you have to take a pen and paper and solve it with me. Okay, pause and try it. It's okay if it goes wrong. And this and all, answer key has not come. 2022 answer keys will come in the next 2-3 days. But I am teaching you now itself. When the answer key comes, you can go and cross verify. It will be correct. Okay. Now again, 2022 second question. Okay, some doctors are teachers. Okay, some doctor. This is some doctor. This is teacher. Okay, if I draw separately, it's like no doctor is a teacher. Okay, so this is the wrong diagram. How will you draw correctly? Doctor and like this, teacher. You need an intersection. Then what will happen? Some doctors are teachers or some teachers are doctors. Whichever it is, this is the diagram you have to draw. Now second one, all teachers are engineers. All teachers are engineers. So I told you draw a bigger circle like this. So what will happen? Now teachers came inside engineers. All teachers are engineers. Now all engineers are scientists. Again, draw a bigger, even bigger circle like this, because all engineers, this small engineer, all engineers are scientists. So we finished their question. We finished the 3 statements. Now we will go for conclusion. some scientists are doctor. Some scientist, if it is full scientist, right? This full scientist, and here one small intersection is there. So it can be possible that some scientist can be doctor. We know only that doctor is teacher. But they told all teachers are engineers, all engineers are scientists. Okay, it is going from this to this. So that means this full scientist. So this intersection is there. So some scientist are doctor is true. Okay, now next one. All engineers are doctors. All engineers are doctors. This is full all. How can all engineers be doctors? Because here there are some people. No, they need not be doctors. Doctors here it's like separate. So all engineers doctors are wrong. We don't need this thing. Okay, now some engineers are doctors. Again, same like we told in the first statement, some scientists are doctors. They are telling some engineers are doctors. That also will be true, because here this full is engineer and then some this thing. Okay, I'm maybe drawing it over and over, but it's very easy to understand. That's why I'm not redrawing it. Okay, so this also can be true. So both conclusion 1 and conclusion 3 are true. Okay, the 2 cannot be true. Here also 2 cannot be true. So that 2 will anyway go, because I told you all engineers cannot be doctors. Okay, because there are some engineers here separately, some doctors here separately. Okay, if you're not understanding, again pause it and watch it from the starting. Okay, now next one, 2021, there were 3 questions. Okay, same type. Now you try it once, pause the video, try it once, else again watch it with me. Okay, so statement 1, statement 2. Some greens are blue. Some greens are blue. So there will be an intersection. Some greens are blue, or it also means some blues are greens. Okay, now some blues are black. Okay, so this, because it's B, some blue are black. Okay, I'll write it fully. Some blues are black. So you could have drawn it like this also, or maybe another way to draw is here green, here blue. This is same. Okay, this is same. But they told some blues are blacks. Instead of drawing it here outside, I can draw it here also, right? If I draw like this, black, then also some blues are blacks. Okay, so there are 2 ways of drawing this diagram. Let it be whichever. Now we'll see the conclusions. Some greens are blacks. Okay, some greens are blacks. In this diagram, it is true. But in this diagram, it is not true. Because green is here, black is here. So we cannot definitely tell it. So wrong. Now, no green is black. No green is black. In this diagram, it is correct. But this diagram, is it correct? Here, sometimes green, black can be intersection. So that also is not definitely we cannot tell. Now, all greens are black. See, all this diagram, how it will be all greens are black. It cannot be. So that also definitely we cannot tell. Now all blacks are greens. That is the reverse of that. All blacks are greens. We don't know whether all blacks are greens. It will here maybe some blacks are greens. It can happen, but all blacks cannot happen. So this also gone. So neither conclusion 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, everything is wrong. Okay, answer D. You can go and check the official answer key. This is how it is. Okay, it's very simplistic question. So if you doubt anywhere I am going wrong, you can correct me in comment section. You can come and tell me. Else this is like a life changing video for you. Okay, if you understand it, it's a very simple thing. Now again, 2021 second question. Okay, this is again easy. Some radios are mobile. Okay, radio, mobile. Some radios, right? So intersection. Some radios are mobile. All mobiles are computer. All mobiles, big one. Okay, all mobiles are computer. Now, some computers are watches. Some computers are watches means I can draw here also watch. I can draw here also watch. I can draw anywhere I can draw watch, because computer and watch I am telling. Okay, there's no connection with radio. Now, so the question is over. We have done the diagram. Now, conclusion 1. Certainly, some radios are watches. Here if I draw watch, how can certainly some radio be watch? This is here, there's no connection. So this we cannot definitely tell. Now certainly some mobiles are watch. Same thing, here it is mobile, here it is watch. How can you tell certainly? There's no certainty. It is like outside the picture. This is here, so this is also wrong. So answer is neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2. Okay, I hope by this time at least 50% or 60% of the audience is understanding how we are solving this. Okay, now if not, now again, pause it and try with me. You try. Okay, pause the video and try, and then watch my video. Then you will understand that you are doing ditto correctly and you are getting 2.5 marks simple, free of cost, in less than how much, like I think 5 seconds we are taking to solve it. Okay, so some cats are almeras. Okay, some cats are almeras. A-L I will write. Intersection. Some cats are almeras. Now, some almeras are chair. Okay, again here, some almeras are chair. I can draw here also, or I can draw maybe here also I can draw. Okay, whichever way I draw, some chairs are almiras. Now, all chairs are tables. All chairs are table means chair I have to put it in one bracket. Okay, all chairs are table. Okay, because now chair went inside table. Okay, hope you are understanding. Now, the conclusion. Certainly, some almiras are tables. Okay, certainly some almiras are tables. So if you see here, this is almira. Give me a second. Okay, so here we reached here. Okay, all chairs are tables, and this is the drawing which we did. Now the first conclusion. Certainly some almiras certainly some almirahs are tables. Okay, this can be true. Why? Because see the question again. Some cats are almirahs, some almirahs are chairs, and all chairs are tables. Okay, some almirahs are chair. See, some almirahs are chair, here intersection, and all chairs are table. When all chairs are table, obviously some of this almirah also can be table. That is what some almirahs are table. Conclusion 1 is true. So this will go away. Okay. Now either it is 1 only or both 1 and 2. So second one, see. Some cats may not be chair. Okay, this is cat here. This is chair here. Okay, some cats. Obviously this may not be chair. There's no guarantee that it has to be chair. So that also is true. So here answer is both conclusion 1 and 2. Okay, so what you're noticing is there's no fixed answer like UPSC is following a pattern. Sometimes it is like 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2, neither 1, 2, 3, 4. Every kind of combination they will do. So don't by heart coaching people's rules and go. Okay, they will tell like always it will be answer C, always it will be neither 1 or 2. Don't believe such people. That is why I'm teaching you the logic here so that in the exam hall you yourself can solve. Okay, now 2020 again, I think one question came. Okay, so here if you see again small, very small statements. So all cats are dogs. Okay, all cat, this is cat, all cat are dog means we will do a big one. Okay, all cats are dogs. Fine, cat is inside dog. Okay, now all cat are black. So all cat are black means again I can draw like this, all cats are black. Okay, now cat is inside black, or I can draw the bigger circle also like this, then also all cats are black. Okay, the cat is again inside black. Any option is possible. Now let's see the this thing conclusion. All dogs are black. Now all dogs are black. If the bigger circle we had drawn, then all dogs are black, it is correct. But what if we have drawn the smaller one? Okay, that's also a possibility. No, if this is the one we consider and we don't consider the outer one, then all dogs are not black because some dogs are there outside the black zone also. So this we cannot tell as conclusion. Now some dogs are not black. Okay, some dogs are not black where it is. Again, some dogs are not black. That depends on again. If you draw the inner circle, then some dogs are not black. But if you draw the outer circle, then how can you tell some dogs are not black? Because all dogs will become black. Okay, so that also not possible. So answer is neither. Okay, neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2. So this also you will see. Okay, in C option they have given neither. It's not like always they will give 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. Sometimes they'll give 1 only, 2 only, neither 1 or 2, and then both 1 and 2. So because in some people has this, okay, third answer is correct, so you will go and mark C or the D. Don't by default read the correct one. Okay, this one eliminated, both eliminated. You got neither is the correct one because both are wrong. Okay, so this is 2020, again one of the easiest question. Okay, now again 2019, it was little bit more because 4 animals were there. Okay, so here if you see, some rats are cat, some rats are cat, intersection. Okay, no confusion in this, some rats are cats. Now some cats are dogs, again intersection. Okay, some cats are dogs. Now no dog is a cow. No dog is a cow means cow is somewhere outside. That cow can be here, cow can be here, cow can be here. Anywhere you draw in such a way that dog and cow has no connection. Dog and cow has no connection. Okay. Now, conclusions. No cow is a cat. No cow is a cat. We can't tell that because if you draw here, it is fine. But what if I drew the cow here? Then no cow is a cat. You cannot tell. Some, can be thing. So this is gone. Okay. Eliminate there itself. Okay. 1 is gone. See, 1 is gone. And this also 1 is gone. Now it's either 3 or 2, 3. Now, no dog is a rat. No dog is a rat. If you see here, this, because I drew the dog here, you're telling no dog is a rat. But what if I drew it here? Okay, like this also I could have drawn. Because anything is possible. They are just telling in the question, some cats are dogs. They didn't tell any connection between dog and rat. So that also certainly I cannot tell. So that also eliminate. Okay, 2. You got the answer here itself without reading. Okay, without reading, you got the answer as 3 only. Now read the third one. Some cats are rats. That's obviously correct because the first statement is still some rat is cat. See, rat, cat. Some rat is cat, some cat is rat. Either way, mutually it is correct. So answer is 3. Again, you solve. So you solved 2022, 21, 2019. Okay, you solved 4 years of question paper. Okay. 18 it was not there. In 2017 there were 2 questions but a little different. Okay, one is same, one is different. So I'll show you this question. Consider the given statement, and if you see statement, morning walk is good for health. Morning walk is good for health. A simple statement. Okay, there is no Venn diagram here. Okay, morning walk is good for health. Okay, simply like we are telling tea is tasty. Okay, a normal sentence. Okay, they are telling all healthy people go for morning walk. Where it is told all healthy people they are telling it's good. That doesn't mean all healthy people are going. There will be other means to form healthy also, right? So 1 is gone. Okay, 1 is gone means this is gone and this is gone. Now it is 2 only or neither 1 or 2. Morning walk is essential for maintaining good health. Again, it's the same. It is not needed. Maybe some other thing. You have green tea, you will be healthy. You do exercise, you will be healthy. It's not like morning walk is the essentiality of this thing. So again, 2 also gone. So answer is neither 1 nor 2. Okay, so 2017, if you see, when the years are getting older, the way they ask the question is little different. Okay, now this is again a very, very tricky, very, very interesting question. Okay. So if you see here, examine the following statement. Okay, here statement, conclusion, everything is same. They are not given separately what is statement, what is conclusion. I will teach you. This is a very interesting question. Okay, so all colors are pleasant. Okay, all colors are pleasant. Fine. We have put colors inside pleasant. Some colors are pleasant. Some colors are pleasant. Intersection. No color is pleasant. Okay, it's a totally different type of question. Okay, that's why different diagrams you have to do. So no color is pleasant. No color is pleasant. Third diagram. Okay. Now last one. Some colors are not pleasant. Okay. So that one is actually the same diagram only. This diagram only. But instead of intersection, we take the outer part. Because some colors are not pleasant. Okay. This intersection won't be there because some colors are not pleasant. They don't know whether colors are pleasant or not. But now the trick is, everything is not true. Okay, they give you condition 1, they give you condition 2, they gave you condition 3, condition 4. Okay, now but they are telling statement 4 is true. Okay, this alone they are telling definitely true. That is, some colors are not pleasant. That is the only thing they are telling true. Others they don't know. Now they are asking you, based on this fourth statement, 1, 2, 3, is it true or not? Okay, based on the fourth one, if it is true, tell us whether 1, 2, 3 is true or not. This is the question. That is why the trick. The statement itself is asking for the other statements. Okay. So see here. 1 and 2 are true. They are telling 1 and 2 are definitely true. Let me see. Here if you see, they are telling what in the fourth statement? Some colors are not pleasant. Okay. So this is the diagram we have in our mind. Now they are telling statement 1 is true. All colors are pleasant. How can all colors be pleasant when they themselves are telling some colors are not pleasant? Okay. They are telling some colors are not pleasant. So all colors cannot be. So 1 is definitely false. 1 false. Okay, I wrote here. Actually, we got the answer here. 1 is false. Okay, but again, we'll see the other things because as long as you are fully true. So this is gone. 1 and 2 are true. Cannot be because 1 itself is false. This is gone. Now, what is the second one? 3 is true. They are asking. So what is 3? No color is pleasant. No color is pleasant. We only know that some colors are not pleasant. We only know this condition. Some colors are not pleasant. But no color is pleasant. How can you tell? Because maybe this intersection, maybe this something are pleasant. Okay, maybe the intersection are pleasant. So we don't know that. So 3 true is also not definitely possible. Now we are left with 2 is false and 1 is false. So what is 2? Some colors are pleasant. So again, some colors are pleasant. Whether this intersection is true or not, that is true or that is false. Okay, some colors are, because here fourth statement what it is, some colors are not pleasant. Okay, so some colors are pleasant. That can be true, can be false. Okay, so this is also definitely you cannot tell. So we are left with that first conclusion which you already arrived. Okay, that is, when you tell some colors are not pleasant, you can definitely tell that all colors are pleasant is a false statement, because you know only some colors are pleasant and some colors are not pleasant. Okay, just to see the statement 4 and statement 1, you will understand that first statement is false and answer is D. You can go and check the official answer key of 2017 also. Now this much I have explained. Still, if you have not understood, you have to patiently watch it from the starting. Okay, because maybe it's you are like English statements you are not following, or maybe when 2-3 colors and chairs and tables comes, you are getting confused, or your whatever knowledge you already have in your mind, that is confusing you. But again, I'm telling you, this is one of the easiest way to get 5 marks, or maybe sometimes 7.5 marks you will get. Okay, if 3 questions comes this year, okay, you will get 7.5 marks in CSAT, which is like more than enough to reach the cutoff. Okay, like cutoff, you know how much it is. In 80 questions, you have to get 33% cutoff. That means you have to get at least 28 questions, 27 to 28 questions right, so that you get 67.5 marks. Okay, in the out of 80 questions, I'm telling 80 questions, it is 200 marks. In 200 marks, you need 67.5 marks. In that 7.5 marks you get just by solving Venn diagrams. Then only remaining 60 you have to do. Okay, that also again I'm in different episodes I'll teach you how to solve passages, how to solve maths. Already 9 p.m. plums on Saturday is dealing with this only. Ma'am is teaching you every day 5 questions. Since last 6 months we are teaching you. So too many questions are there. You go and solve this and go to the exam hall with full confidence. You will pass CSAT. Okay, GS1 anyway with our lectures and test series you will clear. CSAT also you will pass, and that is the ultimate, and you will be finishing this exam 2023 exam with flying colors. Okay, so again, if you have doubt, please tell me in comment section. Please tell your feedback whether I should do more such examples. I'll be happy to do it. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.